Okay, for our, just like what I said, okay, our attendance is based on your participation this afternoon or this during our discussion. Yes, pwede po. Yes po, Azli. No? Okay. We'll open first our PowerPoint. Wait, where is our PowerPoint? So before we start for our main discussion this afternoon, ayan, may I know what is our topic class meeting? What is our topic class meeting? Yes, Axel.
Sir, napindot ka lang po.
Okay, sorry. Sige. So what is our topic class meeting, everyone? Anyone from the group? What was our topic class meeting? It's all about? Yes, King. Ano po ang ating na-discuss last meeting?
Sir, di ko po alam.
Bakit hindi mo alam?
Nakalimutan ko po, sir.
Bakit nalimutan? Where is your notebook? How about the others? Shin.
Sir, di po ako sure if... Wait lang. Wait.
Okay. Go. Go, Shin. Healthy eating, sabi ni Baroy. O anyone? Adolescent nutrition and physical activity. Okay, thank you, Baroy and Omar. About the others? Yan ba ang last discussion natin? Yes, Carla. Open your mic, Carla.
Sir, napindot lang po.
Pindot. Okay, ni-explore pa po ang ang Google Classroom. Yes, Nurjana. Okay, puppetry. What was the main topic po talaga? Yes, Kel. Okay, about puppetry. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Yes, Carla. Pindot ulit.
Creative works of Southeast Asian music.
Okay, thank you, Carla and Afshin. Carla and Ganda. Okay. So, our topic class meeting is all about integrated and creative works of Southeast Asia music, Asian music. Okay, thank you. Okay. So, what the part or ano po ang inyong naalala based sa ating discussion or based on the creative works of Southeast Asia? Yes, Baroy. Yes, Baroy. Play and traditional epics. Okay, thank you. Yes, number one is play and or the epic. Okay, thank you, Baroy. How about the others? Yes, Carla.
Darangin ni Batugan.
Okay, darangin ni Batugan. Okay, thank you, Carla. How about the others? Josea. Later, Baroy.
Puppetry po.
Okay.
Puppetry.
You have puppetry. Okay, thank you, Josea. Yes, Shin.
Theater po.
Theater. Okay, thank you. How about Prince? Yes, Prince. Yes, Salik.
Sir, dance.
Okay, we have dance. Thank you, Salik. Okay. When we say epic, what is epic? What the yes, Axel. What is the meaning epic?
Sir, epics are stories told through music dialogue.
Okay, thank you, Axel. Okay, that's correct. No? It's all about not only in the music but also this historical event happen in a particular places. Okay, thank you, Axel. How about dance? How do you describe the word or what is your definition when it comes from the word dance? Okay, another hand. I want to hear the answer of Madidis. Okay, Madidis, what is your idea or what is your definition from the word dance? Madidis, you're there? Are you there? You're still there? How about yes, Haki?
Expression with your bodies.
Yes, can you repeat your answer?
Expression with your body.
So expression with your body. Okay, thank you, Haki. No? Okay, expression of your body. No, instead of using words of your thoughts. Okay, we use our body to express our thoughts, feelings, etc. Thank you, Haki. How about theater? How about the word theater? What is your definition when it comes from the word theater? Um, I want. Can you please answer my question, Rim? Rim, are you still there, Rim? Okay. What is your definition of theater? It is a form of art wherein it is as your favorite show is happening right in front of you. Okay, thank you. That's correct rin, no? Diyan makikita po natin ang mga live action shows. Okay, diyan po ginaganap sa theater ang different, no? Especially mga epic history. Okay, thank you, Rim. Yes, okay, this afternoon, we will discuss, saan na yun? Wait, everyone. Wait. Okay. Wait po. Okay. So before we start to our main discussion, we have an activity. So this activity titled First Aid Quick Fire. So meron pong, so our instruction for this activity is listen carefully. Okay? I will represent a common injury or emergency scenario. You'll need to quickly think about the first aid step for that situation. So answer quickly. We'll have 30 seconds to explain what to do in this situation. You can either type your answer in the chat box or, if called upon, unmute the microphone and share your response. And this is a fast-paced activity, so be ready to respond quickly. There are no wrong answers, but I'll give feedback to help to guide you. Okay? So, meron po akong ibibigay na mga scenario and you need to answer, no? Kung ano po ba yung mga first aid na pwede nating gawin on that scenario. Okay? First scenarios. Someone has a nosebleed. What do you do? Opo. So, merong isang tao na nag-nosebleed. Nosebleed. So, ano pong gagawin natin sa patient na yon? Okay, who wants to answer for the scenario 1? Yeah, or one of your classmate nag-nosebleed po. Ano po ang ating gagawin? Paano natin matutulungan ang ating kaklase? In what term, Omar? Sabi nga, paano gagawin? Anong tulong ang gagawin? Yes, Omar. Ayun. Sabi ni the answer of Precious, have them sit up. Sit up. Wait, Carla ha. Sit up, lean forward, and pinch the soft part of their nose. Okay? Yes, Carla.
Mag-apply po ng ng cold compress or ice pack
Saan po banda?
sa thin cloth banda.
In cloth?
I-wrap po siya.
Okay. Thank you, Carla. Okay. That's the nice answer. Precious and Carla. Ashley, put the eyes at the bridge of their nose. No? Okay, thank you. So someone has nosebleed. Ano pong gagawin natin? First and foremost, first thing to do is paupuin siya. Tama yung sabi ni Precious. Set them up. Ayan. Then kailangan hindi naka full back ang or naka head back ang patient. Okay, wait. I will open first my camera. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Nakita pa ba ako? Naka-present kasi, no? Okay, I will stop muna yung presentation ko. Gulo ng book niya. Okay. The first thing to do, okay. So, ang gagawin po is, ayan, i-press po natin yung dito na side. Ayan, i-press natin. Yan, i-press lang siya na natin, no? So, ang reason bakit pinipress para hindi na po magpo-flow yung blood sa ilong. And then, maglalagay po tayo ng ice dito po sa forehead ni patient. Ayan, yan po ang unang gagawin na. Press here. And then, maglalagay po tayo ng ice sa forehead ni patient. Okay, thank you. Okay, meron tayong Carla. Sino pa ba? Okay. Next scenario. Someone cuts their hand. How would you stop the bleeding? Someone cuts their hand. How would you stop the bleeding? Yes, Kelsey.
Firstly, you grab a clean cloth like a handkerchief or towel, but this should be clean to avoid infection. After that, you apply pressure on the cut para ma-stop yung bleeding po.
Okay, thank you, Kelsey, no? That's the correct answer. Someone cuts their hand, how would you stop the bleeding? First thing to do, ayan, no? Linisan muna yung wash muna, maghanap ng, yun nga, sabi ni Kelsey. So, kailangan ng panyo. Siyempre, dapat yung panyo ay malinis. Hindi yung madumi, ha? Kasi nga, baka ma-infect yung kamay. But the traditional way na ginagawa po namin dati, no? Siyempre, lumaki po tayo sa bundok. Ayan, no? So, ginagawa namin, no? So, nililinisan po muna namin yung nasugatan from the na sugatan na kamay or something sa body. And after that, pag nahugasan na, ayan, para mag-stop yung dugo, ayan, binubudburan po namin yan ng native coffee. Ayan. Do you know the native coffee? Ayan. So, binubudburan po namin ng native coffee. Ayan. Tapos, nakaka-stop po siya ng pagdurugo. Ayan. Yung traditional way. But ngayon, siyempre, sabi ng mga doktor, is kailangan punasan siya ng malinis. So, Kelsey is correct. Okay, thank you, Kelsey. Okay, may pumapasok pa. Wait. Okay. Where's our PowerPoint? Ayaw tumano. Okay. Next scenario. Someone faints. What should you do immediately? Someone faints. What should you do immediately? Okay, maliban kay Baroy, para may attendance naman. Mariel. How about the others? How about Norjana? Kali. Kali. Where is Kali? Prince. Madidis. Okay, tamad. The question is, wait lang. Ay, hindi ba ako naka-PowerPoint? Wait lang, sorry. Sorry everyone. Naka-flash ang question. So the question is, sorry. Scenario 4 na po, scenario 3 na po tayo. So someone faints, what should you do immediately? Sige nga. Okay, sabi ni Kali, ensure their safety by gently lowering them to the ground. Lay them on their back. Sabi naman ni Rim, lay them down properly and check if they are responsive. If you are not a medical professional, do not act hastily and call and wait for professional to arrive. Okay, thank you, Kali and Rim. How about the others? Yes, Kamad. Kamad.
Sir, wait lang po.
Yes po. We'll wait. How about the others? The answer of Kali and Rim is correct. Also, check the pulse, no? Check natin yung pulso ng patient po natin kung meron pa ring pulso. And after that, ayan, dalhin sa malapit na hospital or clinic. Ayan, thank you. Okay, next scenario. Wait. Okay, next is a person gets a burn. What's the first thing you should do? A person gets a burn. What's the first thing you should do? Other hand naman. Okay. I want the here or answer of Kamad. Or sorry, Rachel. About Rachel. No? A person gets a burn. What's the first thing you should do? Okay, wait lang. Pasok yun po ata. Okay. Ano pong gagawin natin? No? In that scenario, a person gets a burn. What's the first thing you should do? Okay. So, the answer of Carla, cooling the area quickly helps to reduce the temperature and seek for medical attention. Sabi naman ni Omar, hold the burn area under cool, running water for 10 minutes. Cool the burn with cool or lukewarm running water for 20 minutes as soon as possible after the injury. Put the burn under cool running for water for at least 20 minutes and bandage it with a clean bandage. Ayan. Immediately stop the burning process by removing the person from the heat source and cool the burn. Sabi naman ni Rim, it depends po whether the burn is minor or major. If it's minor, cool with water and cover it. If it is a major, call for emergency services while covering the burn with a clean cloth or okay, thank you. Okay. Person gets a burn. Okay, tama naman po yung mga answer natin, no? What's the first thing you should do? Ayan, no? So, linisan muna yung nasunugan. Tama. Yung sabi ni Rim, it's minor or major, no? Nakadepende po kung paano po natin treat yung nasunog na bahagi or yung ayan. So, when I was a chef in a restaurant here in Cotabato City, okay, I don't know if you know the store or restaurant, Chobi Chobi restaurant. I worked there for almost 6 or 7 months. And then one of my experience there, ayan nga, nasunog din yung part ng kamay ko. So dito po banda, wait. Sila ayan. Stop ko muna ang presentation na. Ayan, so, okay, I'll experience there na one of my arms, dito po banda, sunog po talaga ito siya dito. As in, sunog. Kulay brown na po siya. Ayan, parang niluluto na isda, parang ganyan po kaitim. Ayan, no? So, sumabog po kasi yung oven na pinaglulutuan po namin ng mga scallop and others. Ayan, no? Then, it turns out na morning pa lang, kasi yung stove na yun or yung pinaglulutuan namin is gasol siya. Then, na-open ko siya in the morning, yan, and then bigla lang nag-off yung yung pinaglulutuan namin or yung stove. And then, so mainit pa yung sa loob. Pag bukas sobrang init. Then, yun lang, mali ko, nasindihan ko siya, kaya nag-backfire. Ayun, dito, nasunog po yun dito. Dito talaga nasunog siya. So, masakit, mainit. So, anong ginawa ko po? Ayan, no? Inaano ko po siya sa tubig. Ayan siya. No, pagkatapos nun, pumunta po ako agad sa malapit na ospital. Ayan. Then, ininjikan po ako ng 3 beses. So, ayun, mainit po siya. Ano yun siya? First degree burn. Ayun. So, minor pa lang siya, first degree. Nag-second degree, mas malala na po, no? So, ingat po tayo sa ating mga ginagawa. Ayan, no? Especially pag nasusunugan. Ayan. No? Dito po talaga, sunog na sunog po yan. Ayan, nagkulay brown. Ayan. So, thank you for your answer, everyone. Ayan. Next is, last scenario. Someone is choking. What's the first step to help them? Condition. Okay. Okay. In your own idea or in your own understanding regarding of the first aid, what is the meaning or what is your definition? It comes from the word first aid. Precious po pala. Yes, Carla.
Ito po yung emergency care given to a person who has been injured.
Okay.
Okay.
Nag-feedback, Carla. Okay, thank you, Carla. Tama yun, no? Ito po yung ginagawa natin. No? May, ang iba, sinasabi po, sir, ang first aid po is yung kit. Yes. Sabi ni... Okay. Sabi ni Kelsey, first aid is the approach of aiding or supporting a person from a harmful health circumstance before medical professionals arrive. Okay, correct, Kel? First aid, the immediate, often temporary care given to someone who has been injured or suddenly falls ill until professional medical help arrives. Okay, thank you, Carla, Kelsey, and Kamad. Your answer is correct. So ito po yun, no? Kaya that's why may binigay po ako mga senaryo kanina, no? For example, nagbi-bleed, nasugatan, ay nagcho-choke, ayan, nag-faint ang isang patient, yan. Ang first na ginagawa po natin, before or hinihintay po natin ang medical team or medical assistant is the first aid. Ano po ba yung pwedeng gawin natin, no? Para mag-guide po or maibsan, kumbaga, yung nararamdaman ng isang patient. Kung kaya naman sa first aid, okay, gawin po ang first aid. Tapos hintayin po ang medical assistant. Okay, so this is the definition of first aid. It's the crucial initial care and temporary remedy immediately provided to someone experiencing a medical emergency while awaiting medical assistance. Ayan. Ito po yung crucial initial care. Initial, ibig sabihin yung, yan, for example, nagpipaint ang isang tao, ano po bang dapat gawin natin dyan sa isang patient? Ayan. Crucial initial care and temporary. Hindi naka-present. Hindi pala siya naka-present. Naka-present. Okay, there you go. Okay. Kaya I'll repeat. First aid is the crucial initial care and temporary remedy immediately provided to someone experiencing a medical emergency while awaiting medical assistance. That's the first aid. Okay, this is the example of first aid. Provide relief, preserve life, yung nag-choke po isang person. Prevent further harm. Ayan. Para maiwasan po yung lumabis pagka-damage po or injury ng person, no? Para maiwasan, mabawasan. Okay? Next is, assess. Okay. The importance of the first aid is the presence of mind. Okay? Tandaan po, presence of mind is very important factor in the step of first aid. The first step in giving first aid is to quickly and correctly assess the situation to determine the type of injury of illness the victim. Okay, bakit po daw kailangan correct and quickly ang first step ng first aid? Why? Okay, please type on our chat box. Bakit kaya kailangang quickly and correctly ang pag-assess sa isang pasyente? Okay, please type in our chat box, everyone. Especially those student na hindi pa po nakakasagot or wala bang participation sa ating lecture this afternoon. Okay. Who wants to answer our question? Anyone? Anyone? Natulog na sila. Ayan. Okay. Talagang sumasagot. Assess. The first step in giving first aid is to quickly and correctly. And to assure, no, dapat alam din po natin kung anong injury or illness ng ating patient. And kailangan presence of mind is important. And napaka-importante po sa assess is presence of mind. Alangan. For example, nosebleed ang isang tao, no? Ayan, binigyan mo ng gamot, no? Nag-nosebleed na nga. That's why dapat alam po natin, dapat mabilis din po ang pag-assess natin sa ating patient and correctly ang pag-assess sa ating mga pasyente. Okay? That's the assess. Next is planning. A quick organization of thoughts on the action to take is the next step in giving first. Ayan. A plan, a quick organization of thoughts on the action to take is the next step in giving first. Ayan, na-assess na po natin si patient. Alam na po natin yung injury ni patient. Ayan, diyan na po tayo magsisimula mag-plan or planning. Anong gagawin natin? Anong first aid ang gagawin po natin kay patient? Ayan. Next, the plan is implement is the actual administration of first aid. Ayan, dyan nyo na po gagawin ang inyong first aid. Nalaman na po natin kung anong first aid ang i-cover natin kay patient. Ayan, i-implement na po natin. Nakapag-plan na po tayo, then dyan na po natin ang gagawa ng actual administration of first aid. Itong implement is the procedure for first aid vary for different condition. Nakadepende po kung anong condition ni patient. Yun po ang gagawin natin based on our plan. Next is evaluate. Promptly evaluate the effectiveness of provided care. Tama po ba ang nabigay nating care kay patient? Tama po ba yung first aid na ginawa po natin kay patient? Kung tama po ang nagawa natin, ayan, monitor time to time kung ano na pong kondisyon ni patient. Depende po sa kanyang injury. Yan din, reassess the action taken and apply the next action needed. Okay? Ayan. So, we have assess. I'll repeat, we have assess, planning or plan, implement, and the evaluation or evaluate. Ayan. We have 15 minutes left. Ayan. Okay. So, naintindihan po ba ang first aid and being ready during emergencies? Just click the ano ba to? Thumbs up button. Okay, naintindihan po. Okay. Okay, kung naintindihan po, may I request or can you please what your insight? No? What is our insight regarding on our topic this afternoon? Insight po regarding on our topic this afternoon. So before we end, before tayo mag-end, no? Ayan. Please get 1/2 crosswise and answer my question. Write your response 1/2 crosswise and take a picture of it. Send it in the next meeting. Okay, paki-send po sa akin mamaya or bukas. Okay, PM nyo lang po sa akin. So ito po ang mga questions. Okay? So please use the remaining time to answer our quiz. We have 3 questions.
Sir, copy and
Po.
answer po.